It's all wet. Hey, who put that there? Your fault. Your. Let's check. Why does paper become yellow? Let's become a scientist. Let's see how did the paper get yellow. Let's go and check. Hello, I'm Angel. Hello, I'm Jason. Today, let's check capillarity. You should protect yourself before doing the experiment. Yes, we need to protect our eyes and hands. I use glasses, masks, and gloves. Let's begin. This is yellow color drop, open. This is a blue color drop, open too. Drop some in the cup. We take turns, no hurry. Put some water in the cup. Mix the color. Be careful. It's a napkin. Napkin is yellow. My napkin is blue. Let's try. It's capillarity. Let's mix some water. Whoa. Yeah, you're pretty nice. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's gonna get all wet. Well, let's bring it out. Yeah. Whoa. It's actually pretty wet. Yeah. It's so wet. It's not gonna be wet. You have to wait until it dries for 2 minutes. You need to wait for 2 hours. Minutes! Not hours. Roll the cotton to the ball. Secure with a rubber band. This is our cotton ball now. What should we do next? I use yellow color drop. What's a little bit? It's a lot. And I need 2 dreads. Oopsies. Okay, there's no more. Now it's time for the blue. I got a little bit of blue. Yeah, no. Look! Okay, here. Last one, my red. Where's the good? You're gonna see mine. It's gonna be so good. Wait. Some of them turning green. What about yours? Turn green. That looks awesome. Mine looks like a rainbow. I'm done. Look at mine. Mine looks so good. Look at mine. Look at mine. This is our rainbow ball. Let's wait a few minutes. Put all of them into plastic bags. Should we wait one day or put it in the fridge, Jason? Yes, we can wait, but we need to open it immediately. Let's get it out. Let's get it out. Boom. Boom. How do I open this? Yeah. Boom. Punch it. Move it.
I want to see yours.
Mine.
This cotton is dyed. This called tie-dyed.
Time to next.
This is paper cup. Let's take it out.
We make it shape like the sun.
How do I do it? I don't
know. Let me help you. Watch and learn, brothers. Should I dip it in the red one? That'll make the perfect science. Right, Angel?
Yeah, you should have did this one by yourself.
It's just too hard.
Fold the shapes inside.
Let's put this into the water.
The water traveled to the paper.
The water is walking. Yellow. Whoa, whoa, it's actually opening. What's opening? It's opening. This is such science.
This
flower
is
open.
Capillarity. Look at
Whoa.
this red one.
Look at
I want
this.
to see your yellow one.
Look at the green one. I'm mixing this. Rips.
I want to do some science over here.
Let's put this in the water. It's actually becoming red.
Do this.
Wait, I see that over here it's coming red.
Yeah. Do you want to see mine?
Wait,
Do you
the
want to
red.
see mine?
Wait, the red is actually spreading.
Yeah, do you want to see this one?
How you're almost there.
I was like this.
It's capillarity. This is a napkin. Let's put it inside and see. Put it inside. Let's see. It's not. It's doing nothing.
You'll see. I want to pick it up.
It's doing nothing.
Yeah.
This is not the experiment how it works.
But you cannot do this. Yeah. There are lots of capillarity around us.
We use napkin to clean the kitchen. This is capillarity. When I sort and then wipe it, this is capillarity. Capillarity rise of or dispersion of a liquid in a small passage such as a two small cross electro area. Like the space between the fibers of a towel opening in a proud material. Capillarity is not limited to the vitral direction. Water is drawn into the fibers of the towel no matter the towel is organized. Next time, subscribe us! I found a cheating way.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I'm bad done. I'm better done. I'm folding it. Oh, the back is wet. This too. This is so weird. This too. This too. I think I just made a foul.
All of it is red.
Let's touch it. It's green. It's actually green.
No, rip. This is a fabric soap.
What is a fabric?
And you get all the fabric you can.
We want to take hours. Hi! Oops, forgot. Hi! Don't break this! It's a fabric, not a paper. Look at
It sound
this
right,
one's mine,
boys.
right?
And this is one.
I got a plan to get
This one's yours.
I'm not going to tell
Wait,
you.
oh, this one. Wait.
I get yellow.
Wait a minute. We can do this.
sound right, boys.
Or that's teal.
That means
Oh, it's orange! Oh, it's orange, Angel, it's orange!
it's the special color. You have to put it in here.
Can I start?
Yes.
Okay, ready? Oh, it became dark. Let's see in this one. Oh my god. Oh my god! Because we need to get some, right? Yeah. Let's go get some dip.
No, we're